Yes.
Yeah.
Ah, go on, 11.
Yeah.
So, conk. So it's a super curry.
Whichever way you like it.
Well,
But
you
when I don't
done.
come about it today though, just have to prepare it for when I need it.
Well, you don't know. Me love it anyhow you prepare it. And whenever you prepare it. So don't be in any rush. Well, I tell you, say the rain make the road monkey away. Traffic like wow. Ah, boy.
Babe, you hear about what going up at Hilltop?
Why you say going up a hilltop? A whole heap of thing going up there, man. Cause me here say, you know, a couple of the dog them gone and frying through the Mexico link. Fight looking at the bar one night, yeah. Man get all cut in him face. You see me? All work top and push that thing.
The work stop part and somebody were there. You want to tell me about that?
What you want me to tell about that, right? Just like you. I hear me here too.
Really now? So you not go up there?
Jed, remember some have business at Hilltop, you know? Remember the bar with the corona robbing thing where we are doing? It's still a go on. Plus, I have friends up there. So from time to time, I go up there.
And you not go near Radcliffe Workside?
No, man. This starts sound like 20 questions. Tell me something. What you really want to ask me?
No, the reason why I ask these questions because the work stop because them find it going out there. Not long after that, man dead because of it. Them raid numbers farmer beat up him woman really bad because of it. So that's why I ask question and I really want to know what's going on.
I don't understand. Why you believe some me that know what go on? And on my side, me not have none of my youth them a work on the side or contracted to it. So why me that know what go on?
Babes, me hear some people lose them title up there. The work shut down because it wasn't legal. And knowing the type of person where you are, more likely me I think say you maybe have something to do with it. Because I'm not talking about the killing part, you know, but the shutting down part. That is why I ask you.
Well, based on when me are here, me never have to do nothing. Nature and NEPA take care of it. You see me? So me never have to lift a finger.
Well, when me here, I carry them car iguana go Lego up there. And that's why I'm dead and that's why the work shut down.
Well, whosoever carry iguana go put up there should I get an order of distinction. Because we all know them on the brink of extinction. So it's only fair for somebody can extend them habitat.
Alright, George. If you say so. Just one way not involved for you. Because them seems like them I get rid of everybody we're involved in it. Tell me something. Where you and Radcliffe got about for the bar the other day?
Me and Radcliffe.
No bother. Chin tell me Sir Radcliffe come up at the bar the other day and he and him did that talk and it never looked friendly and them did that talk for a while.
I'm glad you asked that. Because come to think of it, are you him come look for?
So if I mean him come look for, why you are entertaining him?
Sorry, babes. I think I should have just call you I make you come entertain him. Now you're a guest?
Me never say that, George. But just only hope, sir, you now go up there on the man's side. Because you see that visit there, seems like it had the view and you turn it on me.
What you just say? Man's side. Tell me something. Ratcliffe owns somewhere up there? Is what? Are you himself to come on me? When do? Him call you, meet you at the bar, come at the yard, come tell you. Jenny, Ratcliffe still a come at the yard, yeah?